When people hear AMG, they think of one thing: power, loud V8 engines, aggressive styling, massive horsepower. But they also think of something else: expensive repairs. And while many modern AMG models can absolutely drain your wallet, not all of them are financial nightmares. In fact, there are several AMG models that combine strong performance, proven engine durability, manageable maintenance costs, and surprisingly affordable purchase prices today. This list focuses on AMG models that have strong reliability reputations, avoid overly complex early turbo systems, are relatively affordable on the used market, and are considered safe bets by independent mechanics. Let's begin. 5. Mercedes-Benz C55 AMG. The C55 AMG is one of the most underrated AMG models ever built. Why? Because it came at the perfect time. Instead of a supercharged V6 like the earlier C32, the C55 received a naturally aspirated 5.4-liter V8, the M113 engine. Why this matters? Naturally aspirated V8. No complicated twin-turbo setup, proven M113 durability, relatively simple electronics compared to modern AMG. The M113 engine is widely respected for its strength and longevity. With proper maintenance, it can handle high mileage without catastrophic failures. Common issues include normal aging suspension components, motor mounts, minor oil leaks, but major engine failures are rare when maintained. Today, the C55 AMG can often be found at surprisingly reasonable prices compared to newer AMG models. It offers raw V8 power without modern turbo complexity. 4. Mercedes-Benz E55 AMG. The supercharged E55 AMG is legendary. It produces massive torque thanks to its M113K supercharged V8 engine. Now you might think, supercharged equals unreliable. Not in this case. The M113K engine is considered one of the strongest AMG power plants ever made. Why it's reliable? Overbuilt internal components, strong block construction, proven supercharger system, handles high horsepower. Well, the biggest issues are typically airmatic suspension failures, SBC brake system, early years, general aging electronics, but the engine itself? Extremely durable. Many examples have exceeded very high mileage while still producing strong performance. Today, depreciation makes the E55 AMG shockingly affordable for the level of performance you get. 3. Mercedes-Benz CLK 55 AMG. Another AMG powered by the M113 V8, the CLK 55 is lighter than the E55 and simpler in overall setup. Why it's a smart buy? Naturally aspirated V8. Less complex than later AMG models. No early twin-turbo stress. Strong long-term durability record. This car delivers classic AMG sound and character without excessive mechanical complexity. Compared to modern AMG models with direct injection, complex cooling systems, and advanced turbo setups, the CLK 55 feels mechanically straightforward. That simplicity helps reliability. And on the used market, it remains relatively affordable compared to newer AMG coupes. 2. Mercedes-Benz SLK 55 AMG. Small, aggressive, and powered by a naturally aspirated V8. The SLK 55 AMG is one of the most reliable compact AMG roadsters ever made. It uses a variation of the M113 and later M156 engines depending on year. Why it makes this list? Strong naturally aspirated V8, less weight equals less drivetrain stress, no early complex turbo systems, good long-term engine durability. Because it's a smaller AMG, purchase prices today are relatively accessible compared to flagship AMG sedans. Maintenance still costs more than a standard Mercedes, but the drivetrain itself is not known for catastrophic failures when maintained properly. 1. Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG. Now this might surprise some people. The early W204 C63 AMG uses the naturally aspirated 2LM156 V8. Yes, early versions had known headbolt concerns, but updated models and properly maintained examples have proven surprisingly durable. Why it earns the top spot: naturally aspirated high-performance V8, no turbochargers, strong internal construction, massive aftermarket and parts support here. Once known issues are addressed, the M156 can be extremely robust. And because newer AMG models move to twin-turbo V8 setups, the naturally aspirated C63 represents the end of an era both in character and mechanical simplicity. Depreciation has made early W204 C63 models significantly more affordable compared to their original MSRP. It offers modern performance without the long-term turbo complexity of newer generations. Why these AMG models are more reliable? They share key traits: naturally aspirated engines or proven supercharged platforms, lower thermal stress than modern twin-turbo setups, simpler electronics compared to new AMG models, strong mechanical engineering from the early 2000s era. Modern AMG vehicles are faster but also significantly more complex. More heat, more pressure, more components that can fail. Older AMG models often deliver a better balance between performance and long-term durability. Owning an AMG doesn't automatically mean financial disaster. The key is choosing the right generation, the right engine, and buying a well-maintained example. When you avoid early experimental turbo platforms and focus on proven V8 engines with documented service history, AMG ownership can be surprisingly reasonable. Power and reliability are not always opposites. Sometimes, when engineered correctly, they can coexist. If you enjoy in-depth car reliability rankings and smart buying advice, subscribe for more weekly automotive content.